Hello everyone and welcome back to the Abstract Engineer. Changing the status bar color in React Native looks very simple, but actually it's very hard. We can handle for the native side, but it's complicated. We can handle from the React navigation library, but when you want a different color for every screen, it's not a good approach. Too much code and too messy, not working properly. No native code or not any other third-party library. I use this method in many projects and it works perfect. Different color on the different screen, no rebuilding, no complicated setup or no headache. Let me show you this amazing solution. So this is my app.ts file and this is I already installed the React Navigation 7, you can see, and this is my two screen, home screen and the profile screen. You can see we hide the header also. So now I'm going to show you the home screen. This is my home screen. So let me remove these things and import the snippet like this. So first I'm going to remove this and just import the safe area provider from the React Native safe area context. Let me import the status bar from the React Native and just add the bar style and just type the dark content, and let me add the bar color, background color, and if I type the green, so this is not working. So now you can see the background color is not working. So first I'm going to style the style, just add the flex, and if you add the flex, and then we are going to add the background color and we need to add the green. So you can see this take the whole screen. So now just come here and after the status bar just take a one view and just style and background color. First type the white and then assign the flex one also, flex one, and then we are going to add the text also. You can see the text status bar color. We do not see any status bar color. So now we are going to apply the, just type the padding top. So if you add this statically, you do not know about the exact height of the status bar. So for that, just come here and take a one variable const status bar height is equal to, just type the status bar dot, you can see we have a current height. Just import this current height and just copy this and just come here to the your padding top. So now you can see this is the exact height of the current status bar. So if you want to change with the any other color like red, so you can change it with the red, and if you want to change it with the yellow, you can change it. So this is the first solution to change the status bar color. So now I'm going to show you, if you are taking the safe area view, then how can you manage that. So for that, just taking the safe area view from the context again and just wrap your whole code like this, paste it and apply the style and flex one. So now you can see we just seen the issue, like the status bar height is too big. So for that, just remove the the padding from the top. Just remove the padding from the top. So now you can see we have a color in the bottom also and the top also. So for that, just come here to the safe area view and just type the edges, and the edges add the array, and the array we have, like we don't want to in the bottom. I just want the color on the top. I just want the color in the from the side also, from the left side and from the right side. I don't want to color for the bottom side. Let's see now. If I save it, you can see we just remove the color from the bottom side. If you add the color from the only from the bottom side, just remove the top and just add the, so like this we can add the status bar color in React Native, and also we can add the safe area view from the top and the bottom also. So now I'm going to show you the second solution. So let me correct this and we are going to the second screen, and let me import the const navigation is equal to use navigation from the React Native, from the React navigation, and let me add the on press See, and we have a screen name. Let me copy the screen name profile, and let's click on this. So now we can say this is the second solution. Let me remove this and let me import the again. And the first we are going to import again like a so first I'm going to import the status bar current height. Status bar height is equal to status bar from the React Native, and just type the current height and just copy this and just come here to the view and just flex one and just padding top, add the padding top and just add this. So now you can see we just have a padding from the top, and let me add the color also, and background color, let me add the background color. It should be a blue. So now we can see we just changed the whole screen with the blue color. So let me format the code, and we are going to take a one more view and just type the just copy this whole style and add it in this, and let me remove this padding top, and we are going to add the white color and save it. So now I'm going to show you. Let me import the status bar also, status bar, and also we are going to bar style, and we are going to light. So these are the easiest way to change the status bar color in React Native. I use this method in all my projects and it's worked perfect. If this helped you and you learned something new, please comment down below and tell me which screen color you are going to use first. Also subscribe for more amazing React Native tips and tricks like this. See you in next video. For now, bye bye.